What is up guys, Sam Pack here and welcome back to the channel where we talk about tech, gear, and keyboards. So we're back again with another Honest Tech Reviews where I give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on a product. And today we're going to be looking at the Divoom Timebox. Divoom was kind enough to send this out for review, and even though they sent it out, it does not affect my review in any way. And with that said, let's get started. This is a Bluetooth speaker that you can customize the LED to a fun animated pixel art, and you've probably seen all the products from them on Instagram. They have these cool little computers with keys on them, and they also have a retro looking TV that also has the pixel art on it. The quality of this device is actually very nice. I was actually shocked at how well built this thing is. It definitely does not feel cheap at all. This speaker comes in at around 316 grams and it's about 4 inches tall and wide. It has a nice LED panel in the front and it has an all-around nice matte finish. It feels like metal when you tap at it, but it's actually kind of soft, kind of like a rubber coating on the outside. So when you look at the price tag on this, you'll know why, and honestly, the pictures do not do it justice. This speaker has about 6 hours of playback time and it usually takes around 3.5 hours to fully charge. It comes with a USB-C cable and you can actually keep it plugged in if you wanted to use it as a clock. When you press the power button, you can check how much battery life you have left. When you're connecting the Bluetooth to this device, there are two separate Bluetooth connections. One is for the audio and one is for the pixel art to change in the app. I'm not sure why they did this, but I'm pretty sure it's because it's probably easier to have it separate than having a combined system that does both. You can customize the pixel art anytime you want in the app, and there's a bunch of pre-built pixel arts that people have already created. And once you select it, it changes instantly on the Timebox itself. You can save the ones that you like on the app as well, and honestly, Divoom definitely worked really hard on the app because there's tons of things that you can actually do, like designing your own pixel art. You can access the sleeping aid, which helps provide a bunch of sounds to help you go to sleep. But honestly, I only really like the meditation one. Everything else sounds a little too distracting in my opinion. Or you can listen to your own music that you have. They have daily reminders where you can set up an alarm for anything you need throughout the day. And you can actually play these quirky little retro games on there, like Tetris. And you can even get social media notifications as well. You can also set up a manual alarm on the speaker. Simply just hold the clock button and then press the plus or minus to choose the time. And to go to the minutes, just press the play button. And when you're all done, just press the play button again. But I think it's a lot easier to do it on the app itself. You can record a temporary voice memo up to 60 seconds on the speaker. I'm not sure why they actually have this feature, but I'm assuming it's for a cool thing for kids to play around with. So this might not be a great sound test for the speaker, but it should give you an idea of the sound quality. So to me, the sound is actually really clear. The highs and mids are very good. Don't expect any sub bass on this little speaker. I mean, it's just a one cone speaker, but the speakers can still output a pretty high level. And even when you push it all the way, there's not too much distortion and it's actually surprisingly really clear. The only thing I would say though is if you're listening to music with this speaker, make sure you have the speaker facing towards you. As much as it's fun to have the LED right in the front to look nice, the sound is muffled, especially because the speaker grill is facing the opposite way. But if you want the best sounding experience, make sure the speaker grills are facing you. I really think this speaker is an awesome gift for any tech lovers out there. Not only does it have a good sound for a small portable speaker, but there's a bunch of fun things you can do with this little guy. And for me, I'm definitely gonna have this in all my videos and you guys see all the kinds of pixel art that I really enjoy. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and it really helps me out to see if you guys really like the content or not. And comment down below if you guys think this is such a cool speaker that you guys would want to pick up. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.